Wardrobe butler. A clothes storage rack is like having a personal wardrobe butler. It welcomes you with its open arms, ready to display your favorite pieces. With multiple hanging bars and shelves, it offers a space that's not only functional but also elegant. You can hang your dresses, suits, shirts, and blouses, while the shelves provide a home for your shoes, bags, and accessories. It's like having a versatile closet expansion right in your room. Aesthetic elegance. The aesthetics of a clothes storage rack can't be overstated. It's like the set of a fashion photo shoot, making your clothing the star. The open design allows you to admire your collection like works of art. You can mix and match outfits effortlessly, as everything is in plain view. It's not just storage, it's a daily reminder of your fashion choices. The space-saving wonder. In the realm of organization, a clothes storage rack is a space-saving wonder. In a world where urban living often means limited closet space, these racks come to the rescue. They maximize your vertical space, turning an unused corner or wall into a fully functional wardrobe extension. It's like having a room designer who knows how to make the most of your living space. Mobility and adaptability. The design of clothes storage racks is inherently user-friendly. Many of them come with wheels, allowing for easy mobility. You can effortlessly reposition your rack to change your room's layout or to access your clothes from different angles. It's like having a personal stylist who can rearrange your fashion show at a moment's notice, ensuring your clothing collection remains dynamic and accessible. Versatile storage solution. These racks aren't just limited to your clothes. They offer a multitude of storage possibilities. You can use them to showcase your shoe collection, neatly arrange your handbags, or even create a display of your favorite accessories. It's like having a multifunctional fashion assistant, ensuring that everything in your style arsenal is accessible and beautifully displayed. An organized life. A well-organized life often starts with a well-organized space. A clothes storage rack can help you declutter your wardrobe, making it easier to see what you have and access your clothing choices effortlessly. It's like having a life coach that encourages you to declutter and simplify, allowing you to focus on the things that truly matter. Decluttering and minimizing waste. In our fast fashion world, we often accumulate more clothing than we need. A clothes storage rack can be a catalyst for decluttering. As you display your clothes prominently, it's easier to evaluate your collection. You can identify items you no longer wear, making it simpler to donate or recycle them. It's like having a sustainable fashion advisor, guiding you towards a more conscious and eco-friendly wardrobe, ready for every occasion. One of the practical benefits of a clothes storage rack is the accessibility it provides. No longer will you need to rummage through a crowded closet to find the perfect outfit. Your favorite dresses, suits, and accessories are on display, ready for every occasion. It's like having a fashion concierge, ensuring that you're always dressed to impress. Inspiration and creativity. Having your clothing collection on display can also be a source of inspiration. You may discover new outfit combinations and rekindle your love for forgotten pieces. It's like having your own fashion muse, encouraging you to get creative with your style and express yourself through your wardrobe. Guest-ready wardrobe. If you often have guests staying over, a clothes storage rack can serve as a guest-ready wardrobe. Your visitors can hang their clothes and keep their belongings organized, making them feel at home. It's like offering a touch of luxury to your guests, ensuring they have a comfortable and organized space during their stay. Clothes storage racks for every room. While we often associate clothes storage racks with bedrooms or walk-in closets, their versatility extends to various rooms in your home. In the entryway, a rack can serve as a convenient coat and accessory storage solution. In the laundry room, it's a perfect spot to hang and air-dry freshly cleaned clothes. In the living room or dressing area, it can be a statement piece that adds an artistic touch to your space. It's like having a versatile piece of furniture that seamlessly adapts to the needs of different rooms. For the vintage lovers, if you appreciate vintage or retro aesthetics, a clothes storage rack can be a perfect addition to your interior design. Many of these racks have a timeless appeal, reminiscent of clothing displays in classic boutiques. It's like bringing a touch of nostalgia and classic style into your living space. Mixing and matching. With a clothes storage rack, you can see your entire collection at a glance. This visual access makes it easy to mix and match outfits, experiment with different styles, and coordinate accessories. It's like having a personal stylist who helps you put together unique and eye-catching ensembles. Seasonal transition. As the seasons change, so does your wardrobe. A clothes storage rack simplifies the process of transitioning from summer to winter or vice versa. You can keep your seasonal favorites on display while storing the off-season items conveniently. It's like having a seasonal wardrobe assistant that makes sure you're prepared for any weather. A gift to yourself. Treating yourself to a clothes storage rack is like gifting yourself a daily dose of inspiration. It's a way to celebrate your love for fashion and create an environment where your style is not just appreciated but showcased. It's a gift that keeps on giving, offering convenience and elegance every day. A personal boutique experience. Imagine stepping into your room and feeling like you're entering a high-end boutique. Your clothing collection is beautifully displayed, and you have the luxury of choosing your outfits without the rush. It's like having a personal boutique experience in the comfort of your home.